Welcome to Weekly Analysis with Dave. And as you can see, I have Gbpcad on my chart right now. As you can see on daily time frame, I have Gbpcad on my chart right now. But before we continue the video, I want you guys to do something. I want you guys to click the link in my bio to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my free Telegram. Let's build the community together. So you can also chance to get free signals from me when I take the trades and analyze 1 year. So yeah, let's continue the video. So as you can see, this is Gbpcad and this is what I am expecting this week. I'm expecting a buy on Gbpcad this week. And you can already see I have my analysis marked out here. I'm buying from this demand zone here. And my target is going to be 1.88177. You can see it, I have it already there. But I want to give you a deep breakdown on how I arrived at this particular analysis, and let me give you a deep breakdown right now. So as you all know, I am a swing trader. I always start my breakdown from the monthly. I always start my analysis from the monthly. Why? The higher time frames dictate what happens on the lower time frames. So once the monthly is bullish, I follow the monthly. Once the monthly is bearish, I follow it also. So yeah. So let's start from the monthly. So from the monthly time frame, you can clearly see we have a bullish. So it is very obvious. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Even though it looks like this is kind of in a range market, but this looks like we've been bullish, right? And there's one particular model I follow that my strategy revolves around, which is buy when price is low, sell when price is high. It is just basic math, and that's something that people complicate a lot in trading. So every single time I am looking to buy, I look at the market, is it at a low point I want to buy? If I want to sell, I look at, is it at a high point I want to sell? So that's what my strategy revolves around. And right now, as you can see, we're at a low point from a monthly demand zone. You can see we created a low here, created a low here, we created a high. Now we came back to create a low, right? What we're expecting price to do is to create a high. The only thing that the market has been slow in creating that high, so we could take advantage and make that buy. Things I actually saw before I took this trade is number one, the market is bullish on the monthly time frame. Number one, the market is bullish on the monthly time frame. So that was my first confluence that this trade I should be looking out for a buy. Number two, we're at a low point I could be looking to buy from. Number three, demand zone. A good demand zone, as you can see. At the demand zone, I could buy. So those three confluence alone is a very good confluence for me to take a trade. Number four, this is highs that has to be cleared at. This is not a liquidity type of video or something, but these are highs that has to be cleared out. So definitely I'll be looking to buy to clear out those highs. So those are things that I actually saw and said, okay, this is a good trade that I should be looking out for this week. And considering it's a very straightforward and no complicated thing, as you can already have everything marked out. You can see it clearly on the daily time frame. You can see price is at a demand zone, we should be looking out to buy. So it doesn't mean that I'm just going to buy immediately market opens. No, I'm definitely going to wait for some certain bit of pullback from the lower time frames and all of that before I enter. So that's why I'm just putting it here that this is my projection. So let's go to the next pair I'm looking out for this week. So the next pair I am looking out for, this week is US30 Dow Jones. So as you can see, I already have my analysis mapped out because it's a straightforward analysis. I don't need to go to the weekly, daily, weekly, monthly, and all of that. It's straightforward, even bullish. And prior to that video, I forgot to add, definitely there's some fundamental confluence also, but I'm just telling you guys from a technical perspective why I'm looking at. This also, there are some fundamental confluence also, but this also is just like a straightforward trade. And as you can see, price at my demand zone. I'm already in on this trade though. I'm already in on this trade and I'm buying to this particular point 50,504. So it's just a straightforward trade basically. There's no much thing to like break down. If you understood the previous charts from my analysis from the previous charts, you should get this one also. Price that's my demand at a low point, I should be looking out to buy to continue this trend to the upside. And yeah, as you can see, we had like this nasty little range here. Price broke out, came back to retest it, and I'm looking out to buy to the upside. That is straightforward. All this trade, I'm also going to be taking it on my 50k challenge account because I need to pass that challenge account. If you guys want to join me on this journey, click the link in my bio to join my Telegram, subscribe to my YouTube, and yeah, you can also get your account from Alpha Capital, one of the best out there. Use my code DAVEFX to get 15% off your purchase. See you on the next video.